everyone. I will teach Joy how to write letters.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so Joy will write. Okay, write na letter M. Moon. M. O.
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 N.
N.
Yun, very good. Next.
Na.
Next naman, milk.
Review mo to.
M. Small M. Okay, down.
Down.
Up, down.
Anong mali mo? B.
Up, down.
Victory. Ano ibig sabihin ng victory?
Straight line.
Means
Straight
freedom?
line.
Dot.
Or means
Dot.
success or
Straight
win?
line.
Straight line.
Straight line
Liberty.
again.
Ano means
Straight line
meaning ng
again.
liberty?
Slight
Means
line.
freedom.
Down line. Oh, milk.
Milk.
Very good.
Yay!
Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye everyone.
It.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.